When having problems getting out of the internet, we need to determine whether the problem is with the internet service provider, the internet service provider's router, or your home computer. On your home computer, we will start by going into Control Panel. You will need to go to Change Adapter Settings and take a look at the network adapter that's lit up in blue. You may have a wireless and a wired connection. If they both lit up and you are relying on your wired connection, it is possible it might be defaulting to the wireless connection. So make sure you disable that because that's going to be slower. And you can simply disable it by right clicking and choosing the disable option. However, here we do not have the wireless connection. I'm going to right click and go to Internet Properties. When having problems getting out of the internet, you may be using a static or a dynamic IP. You can have a look by double-clicking on TCP/IP version 4, which was what most people are using at home. It is a static IP, and we can see that we use the following IP addresses. I have gateway and DNS server. I'm going to cancel that. We can also right-click and choose status. Now, status is really useful if you have DHCP server. I can tell whether my IP is static or dynamic. If you click on if you click on details, I can see my IP information. If you don't see all the different components of an IP address, including the gateway, the subnet mask, and the DNS server, then you likely have a problem getting your IP address from your DHCP server, which is likely from your router. If you are in a corporate network, then that might be a Windows Server router or switch or other device. We can see that the media status is set to enable, so that means that we are physically connected. And with the speed, we can see here that it is gigabyte connection. And down here, it is activity. We're seeing send and receive items every second. I'm at least communicating with our router. Maybe not past it, but at least communicating up to the router itself.
Like and subscribe for more.